Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to get my eyelashes done, so I just wanted to show y'all the before. And I guess you're gonna see the after. There's no light right here where I'm at. Let me see. But yeah, I'm on my way to get my lashes. I'm getting ready to go in right now, and I'll talk to y'all when I get out.
Coffee at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. I was at the end. Make me feel like I did back what I'm doing. Let me feel alive again. Tell me I'm a sign, baby. Where would I be without your love beside me?
Back, y'all. So I'm back, and she was able to do my lashes. They're cute. I like them. They look a little dark, but overall, I love them. Usually when I do my makeup, lashes would take the longest for me to apply them. So now, put my makeup on will take about a couple seconds. Satisfied. See, I always got something. They're a little curly, but you know, we gonna see how I do. So I just left one of my favorite stores, Marshall's. This is the reason why I don't like going shopping or being off and outside my house, because I'm forever buying some dumb stuff. That's when I need my boyfriend to be here with me, so he'll be like, put that down. Let me show y'all all this unnecessary stuff that I got that I didn't need or we don't need. I'm trying to prop y'all up because I broke mine. I'm gonna put y'all head. So I broke my car tripod. Oh shit. Let me see. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me try to figure this out. I should have been buying one of them. Let's see. Is this okay? I hope y'all can see. Alright, so let me show y'all these items. Got from Marshall's. I'm still in the parking lot. I would have been in there spending more money, but I had to go to the bathroom. I still have to go to the bathroom, so that's why I left out. Alright, first item that I don't need. This little thingamajig. It was only $3. That's why I got it. I'm forever grabbing something on sale. I'm like, oh, it's only $100. It's on sale. I should get it. All I have to do is have a sale sticker on it, and they got me. Silly. I know I'm silly. But I think the smaller one, I'm going to sit in my kitchen and put my glass and metal straws in it so I can just grab them on the go. I don't know. Again, I didn't need it, but I got it. Then this company, I don't even know who they are. How products excessively working. Can't really see it so little. So all this stuff was $3. So I got, what is this? This is their air mask. They have a leave-in conditioner, $3. And their hair gel, again, $3. Girl, it got glitter in it. So why did I get it? It smelled good, but it got glitter in it. Girl, when I'm 3 years old, but I'm gonna try since it's $3. I might do a tutorial for y'all, product review. That's up now. This is a room spray. It was $2, and it's sandalwood. It smells really good. So that's one bag of stuff I don't need. Is this still recording? Yeah, okay. Next bag. I thought these pictures were so cute. I love gold. So I think I'm gonna put these in my upstairs bathroom. And take the picture down my upstairs bathroom, put it down in my second bathroom. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So these pictures was only $6.99, but it's so cute. It's a gold frame with a white background and white flowers in it. There's 2 of them. So I got these 2. I probably stack it like this. I don't know. I got these 2. In the next bag of stuff I don't need. Well, I need this. I told you, every time I go to Marshall's, I grab this. These are my favorite. Chocolate covered almonds. They're so rich, so good. All I need is like probably 5 and I'm good. I don't eat the whole bag in one day. This little thing, organizer, it was $3. I think I'm going to put this in my drawer with my kitchen utensils. There, like that. So I do like candles. My boyfriend loves them, but I started to like them because he liked them and they smell good, whatever. But for my bedroom, I can't do any strong smells because I get headaches really fast, and if the scent is too strong, I'll have a headache. But this smells pretty good. It's soft driftwood. It's ambered, woody, and aromatic. It was $3, and it smells like woody. It smells like my boyfriend, but it's light, real fresh and clean. So I could do that in my room. If it's too strong, I'll just put it downstairs or in the guest bedroom. I don't know, somewhere else, not in my room or our room. And the last item was, what is this? Sand and Fog. This is the Sandal Company, and it's Ocean Mist. This smells so freaking good. This is definitely going in our room, and it was only $3. It says it inspired on the California coast, and it do smell like fresh ocean. It smells so good. And this is a soy wax blend. Ah, it smells so good. So let me go ahead and run home because I got a message that a package I was waiting for was delivered. And one thing I do love about my neighborhood is no one ever messes with anybody's packages. Well, they never mess with mine, I should say. I had packages delivered early in the morning, and I had to wait till I got home in the evening to pick it up, and it was still there. No one touched it, you know. Knock on some wood, no one has stolen anything. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? My pocket. No one has taken any packages from our porch, thank gosh. Where's my phone? I just heard it go off. Where the hell is my phone? Oh, silly. I set it up here. Alright, y'all. Let's go home. Hey, y'all, made it back in the house, and I got my package. Let me show y'all. So this is from company 310. I think I'm gonna do a separate video on their products. So yeah, look out for that video. And here go my stuff. This daggone thing that leaked in the bag, so I had to clean off everything that was in the bag with it. And just wash these 2 out. So this one, I said I was gonna put it, I don't know. Like I said, I just be buying stupid shit. So I might, I don't know. Let me just show y'all what I'm talking about. I want that somewhere, and I'm gonna put all my, because I don't use plastic straws anymore. Trying to be a little bit more environmental friendly, I guess. So these are all my metal straws and my glass straws. So I want them out, but I don't know if I want them out now. Because I know my cat, he plays too much. I don't have time for him touching stuff while I'm upstairs sleeping. I don't want them. See, that's why I don't need to be buying nothing, because now I don't even like the idea now. So I might use this for something, something else. I don't know. In my mind, it looked cute, but yeah, it's looking a little cray-cray now. In my mind, I was like, okay, I'll put this out here somewhere. That was just looking dumb. And it's not even wood. It's like a wine bottle top. That's the type of material it is. Oh, you know what? I have another one. Maybe I'll put this back here because my wine bottle tops are almost full. And I can start putting some in here. Girl, I don't know. I'm just, like I said, I just be buying stupid shit that I don't really need. I'll find a place for those. And let me go ahead and put this picture up in the bathroom before my boyfriend comes home so I can see if he would even know. Hey y'all, I'm in my room. I wanted to show y'all that I did find somewhere to put these little cork containers. So yeah, I'm in my bedroom, so I put the sand and fall candle right here along with the other candle we have. This is my plant, my real live bamboo plant. Slide her to the side. And back here, I have the little cork containers. And it has my bedroom spray, one I got from Marshall's today. And this is another one my boyfriend had got. So I just put them in there behind the flower. And then I did not like how, I got this candle from Aldi's, but I didn't like how the pictures look inside my bathroom. So I just put them in my bedroom. And if you want a full bedroom tour, I'll do that. But for now, that's just where my pictures are. That's dinner. Asparagus, baked potatoes, and some barbecue chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.